Every year, thousands of school leavers are faced with a difficult choice where to go to continue education. Today, the market of educational services is vast, and it's important not only to get a diploma and a profession, but also to become a highly qualified professional and to be confident about their future career. This is the reason why a lot of applicants have been choosing the Belarusian-Russian University for more than 5 decades. In general, our university is famous for its high level of education. I would like to illustrate our ranking. The RAEX Russian rating agency singled out 10 universities in Belarus which have high quality of education and included our university in this top 10 list. In total, there are 54 universities in the Republic of Belarus. Currently, the Belarusian-Russian University is a brand and it's kind of job reference. The Belarusian-Russian University is one of the oldest, most successful and renowned universities in the country. The Belarusian-Russian University has 8 faculties and dozens of specialists and educational standards of the 2 countries. In 2003, the former Mechanical Engineering Institute became the International Belarusian-Russian University. It made it possible to train highly sought-after professionals in the fields not covered by the Belarusian standards. In addition, the Belarusian-Russian University has about 100 contracts with the universities and scientific institutions all over the world, from Russia to China and from Iran to Spain. The university actively participates in the international educational projects. All that is interesting and relevant and useful, and it is an everyday life of the students of the Belarusian-Russian University. And yet, where to go to further your studies? Let us get acquainted with the faculties of the Belarusian-Russian University and the courses they offer. The Faculty of Automotive Engineering. The following figures are in its favor. Currently, the number of cars owned per 1,000 of Belarusians is higher than that in the Czech Republic, Hungary or Slovakia. Thus, skilled professionals who are able to work both in the field of car repair and maintenance and in the automotive industry are in great demand. Those who want to pursue a career in the automotive engineering are trained here. Design of modern vehicles, operation of its units, their specifications and the development of mobile machinery designs, road construction machinery and equipment are in the range of interests and academic opportunities of the Faculty of Automotive Engineering. Faculty of Engineering and Economics is source of modern engineering creativity. Here we offer software engineering targeted at a variety of IT directions, from testing and business analytics to the development and management of software systems and projects, biotechnical systems and technologies and technological know-how in medicine, power engineering, transport and technological complexes and even advanced fields, like innovations, in which progressive technical solutions are turned into competitive products which are in the great demand. The focus of the faculty is on today's professions. The Faculty of Mechanical Engineering is a Belarusian-Russian University basic field. Machine building, equipment for machine building industry, welding, automation of production processes, state-of-the-art machine tools, new equipment and technologies, large-scale production and, as a consequence, the greatest interest of employers in the well-trained top-class professionals. The Faculty of Mechanical Engineering is a good option as it guarantees good career prospects. The Faculty of Construction is another point of interest for the applicants. Everyone understands that employment in the construction sector has been and still remains one of the most popular and highly paid jobs. Civil engineers are trained and employed in both industrial and civil engineering and in roads and airfields constructions. The scope of knowledge of the faculty graduates includes construction technology, planning solutions, building materials, structures, and the list goes on. Do not forget about the Faculty of Economics, which ensures systematic and in-depth knowledge not only in the areas of finance and credit, economics and management, organization of production, marketing, commercial activities, but also in the field, which is of extremely high importance today, namely transport logistics. Profound knowledge and the perfect logics are a path to the success for the faculty graduates. Finally, the Faculty of Electrical Engineering. Training at the faculty is targeted at studying the most advanced information technologies and systems, namely automated electric drives, ultra-modern non-destructive testing instruments, etc. The range of professions the faculty offers is also wide: system administrators, programmers, electrical engineers, designers, and many others. The correspondence faculty provides the opportunity to combine study at the university and work. The university is proud of its intellectual potential, and it is the cornerstone of everything. The highly educated faculty of the Belarusian-Russian University includes doctors of science and PhD degree holders, professors and associate professors. All of them are professionals who develop and pass on the university traditions from generation to generation. These traditions are deep-rooted and reflected both in the quality of education and in the special friendly atmosphere that the walls of the oldest Maglev University keep. The applicants and all interested people can feel the spirit of creativity, intelligence and unity. Learn a lot of useful things, get impressed by ingenuity and be impressed with ideas of different public events organized by the university. The Maglev Science Festival is underway today. The Belarusian-Russian University is the founder and initiator of this festival. We believe that such science-related holidays should attract young people to science and impel gifted youth to enter our university. They raise the prestige of the highly professional university academic staff. You can see that this exhibition now what the university scientists do in their offices and laboratories. This is the propaganda of the necessity of knowledge. I guess the most eloquent example is the passion of ambitious young people who want to find ways to get into science and even have made their first discoveries. Who knows, maybe tomorrow, developing the ideas of the great Nikola Tesla, the students of the Belarusian-Russian University, based on their knowledge and talent, will presumably make wireless electricity possible. I propose to use this a fireplace. Look, this is a common light bulb. If we connect it to the Tesla transformer, we will be able to observe an interesting effect, which is very beautiful and aesthetically pleasing. We have the flame glowing inside and the light bulb heats up. Thus, we can easily use it as a fireplace. And this is a common fluorescent tube. It lights up by itself in the field of the coil, without any wires, which indicates wireless power transmission. We also have non-working light bulb. It also lights up. This may solve the problem of disposal of unnecessary light bulbs. Of course, hard work, knowledge and the sophisticated technology stand behind all remarkable achievements. The laboratories in which our students study are the world of technology, and most of the equipment they have is unique, of extremely rare even for large manufacturing enterprises. Non-destructive testing instruments are unique and costly equipment, without which high-quality training would not be possible, and the Belarusian-Russian University can boast of having them. Modern welding machines that are the envy of big manufacturers are widely used in the educational process of the university. The university also has the distance learning center, which works online with Russian counterparts. The Belarusian-Russian University is all this and much more. We are provided with large enough financial resources to update the university resource base. I want to say that we have departments furnishing with the unique equipment, which, for example, only the Academy of Science and we possesses. Naturally, the enterprise do not stand still either and also try to acquire super-modern equipment. Therefore, we have opened a whole bunch of branches of our departments at the enterprises and organization of the city of Maglev. Studies are held there and students get acquainted with the manufacturing or repair processes demonstrated to them. Years at the university are not only the years of continuous study. These are also the years of bright, exciting and eventful life, sport and creative activities, socializing with the fellow students and joint projects. These are the things the university students enjoy, and this is their life. Many of them have come to study from overseas, and cross-cultural interaction with international students is also an exciting and rewarding experience. All non-resident students are guaranteed accommodation in a comfortable dormitory, located not far from the academic buildings. The rooms have the basic amenities, and the kitchen and the fitness facilities are also available. Also, the university has its own driving school, a classroom for studying traffic rules, a training ground and a car fleet. You may apply for driver license right at our alma mater, with a privilege to be enrolled in the young driver's school. Years of study are flying fast, and it will not take long to pass from entrance excitement to the graduation diploma. But for some students, these years are only the first stage of entry into science. A MA course, postgraduate studies, thesis defenses, academic degrees and titles are another interesting and promising path that also starts here, in the Belarusian-Russian University. But whatever the path, the main component of the success of the Belarusian-Russian University remains unchanged. Our top priority is education of high quality, and we do provide high-quality academic education here. We're looking forward to welcoming new students to our university. You may find out more about the Belarusian-Russian University on the website at www.belarusianrussianuniversity.by.